Hello everybody, this is Trevor with Gemmy Trading in Japan, and we just received this R33 GTR. Now I've seen a few GTRs here in Japan of the R33 model, but this is by far the cleanest one I've ever seen. The styling is subtle and very beautiful. It has 18-inch and work rims with some nice tires, all around Brembo brakes. Very clean paint. Clean headlights, clean front bumper. Now this isn't a perfect car. There are still small flaws in the paint here and there, but this is one of the most beautiful foundations of a GTR I've ever seen. The rims are very clean. Also not perfect. There are still small flaws here and there, but they look great. Running on the side, very clean paint. On the roof also, very good. Has the original Nissan rain guards on both sides in good condition. Running great. Everything's wonderful in this car. And it has an original GTR key, spare key, and the Viper alarm system, which is working good. Very clean interior. Has a new Nardi Terreno steering wheel, which looks brand new. And everybody knows what kind of seat this is. For those who don't, this is the R34 GTR seat. Needs a little cleaning up, but it's in very good condition. Rear seats are in great shape. Passenger seat also, very good condition. Center console, e-brake, shift boot, NISMO Shift, NISMO shifter. Very nice. You can see a little wear there on the cover. But yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful car. Okay, and it has a NISMO cluster. Now let's give the engine a start. Revving nicely. Has a FGK HKS Pro Computer. Okay, let's pop the hood. And the AC is working very, very good in this car. Extremely clean engine bay. Not a speck of rust starting anywhere. Here's the CVC power. It's a beautiful car. Let's give it a little rev. Revving wonderfully. Extremely clean car. Passenger door very clean. Passenger area very nice. Door sills very clean, no signs of rust starting. This is all in all a beautiful car. The differential's not leaking. Doesn't have any oil leaks. Great condition all around underneath. Very light rust starting. It is great. Now, if anybody has any more questions or wants to see anything in greater detail, please feel free to let us know anytime. Thank you. Bye-bye.